Welcome to XL Moto. Today we're going to be looking at this Relay Pro. We'll run through what it does, how it works, and who's it's for. Need an intercom that can use with your friends and your buddies while riding your bike. The Raven Relay Pro. Mesh communications, 5.4 Bluetooth, all wrapped up in a super small, neat, usable bundle. So the Relay Pro is basically built for people that want stable communications while riding with a group of friends, that also want simple and easy communication and the ability to have music, talk, and a built-in radio. So let's see what comes in the box. So for a start, we have the instruction manual, always very handy, the unit itself with the buttons and dials. You get a small bag which has Velcro patches and sticky patches for attaching the mounting bracket. We also have the boom mic, and a boom mic can be used if you're using an open face helmet, or additionally if you have a full face helmet, there's another microphone, and all you need to do is unplug your boom mic, and then once you've unplugged it, plug in the other microphone and you're ready to go. Now, with regard to attaching it to the helmet, as I say, you have two sticky patches and there is a mounting bracket. The mounting bracket, and I've already put this one on here, attaches to the side of the helmet. Once this is attached, you can then have two options, because we also give you a small metal bracket which can be slipped into the bracket on your helmet, and it means that it makes it a lot easier to take the actual intercom on and off. Okay, let's move to the installation. If you have an intercom-ready helmet, such as the Raven Relk, then the pads already have Velcro in the actual inserts. So what we need to do, we just pull out the cheek inserts, and in here you'll see that there are two recesses intended, one on each side, for the headphones. So as I say, if you don't have that, then we move back to the Velcro patches that are in here, and you can stick those to the internals of the helmet and it will do exactly the same thing. But the Raven Relk actually has that already built in because it's intercom ready. The next thing, quite simply, take the two headphones and you place one into one of the recesses and the same on the other side. And then finally, with our microphone, we have already attached a small piece of Velcro. Again, it comes in the packet, and all you need to do is pop that on the front there, and then once that's done, you route the cables along the inside and then place the cheek straps back in. We've mounted our speakers. We have one on this side, we have one on this side, and we have the microphone at the front. We've routed all the cables around. We have the connection jack on the outside, and the final thing we need to do is attach the actual unit. So you line up the two slots, you push down until it clicks in, and once it's in, we just attach the USB-C, pushing in firmly, and that's it, we're ready to roll. So let's run through a few of the features of the Relay Pro. For a start, the mesh communication means that you can connect up to 8 riders at the same time. Now, theoretically, with clear distance, you will be able to get 1,000 meters between the riders, which gives plenty of distance for the people at the back to talk to the people at the front. In addition to this, with a simple double press of the up and down buttons, you can attach your iPhone or you can attach your Android device, and then you can utilize anything on there. So telephone calls will come through instantly. With a push of a button, you can answer the call. If you have your music playing, at the same time a telephone call comes in, it will literally swap over to the telephone call. As soon as your telephone call is finished, it will revert back to the music. So there's not lots of fiddly, tricky, trying to press buttons, this, that, and the other. They all work seamlessly together. Okay, one last feature that I forgot to mention, it also has a radio. So if you're riding solo, you can either listen to your music or you can catch up with everything that's going on the local station. Now we have everything set up on the helmet, let's look at operational. What we do first of all is the power button on the back. You hold and depress this for 3 seconds and you'll see the blue light comes on. Now the device is operational. To connect it to your phone, you press the forward and reverse buttons at the same time and hold both of these for 3 seconds again until it flashes blue and red. And once that is happening, we'll move to the phone, and it's the same whether it's an Android or your iPhone device. Here we have the Raven Relay Pro. So let's click on that, And now you'll see that we are connected. Okay, so now we're going to show you how you pair to your buddy. So for a start, you need to turn the units on, which you hold the button down for 3 seconds. It will tell you what your battery status is and whether your device is connected to your phone or not. After this, you press both the buttons on yours and your buddy's for 3 seconds, and it will now move into pairing mode. Once we're in pairing mode, one depress is searching. It's found it, and it's now connected to your buddy. You're now ready to ride, and let's get on the road. Okay, so one further cool feature of this intercom system is that you can actually have an ambient outside or inside noise. So let's say you've got your helmet on and people are trying to talk to you and you can't hear what's going on. All you need to do is press the previous button twice. And now we have the ambient sound from outside coming through the speaker and into your ears, which means that you can speak to people on the street without actually having to take your helmet off. Okay, so these are the basic features to get you up and running on the Relay Pro. If you do need to know anything else, because there are a few other things on there as well, everything is in the first few pages of the booklet. So what will you be doing with yours on your next ride? Let us know. This is the XL Moto Garage from Romania. Over and out.